Good morning, everyone. Here's your Southeast Idaho weather planning briefing for Sunday, May 26th. And these briefings have been pretty much the same the past few days, and we could probably replay a few of them in the days to come because guess what? It's still going to be wet across eastern Idaho. Our low area of low pressure that's responsible for keeping us in southerly flow today a little warmer is still to the southwest. That's going to bring showers and thunderstorms again, especially tomorrow when that low it continues to shift towards the Four Corners region. And that unsettled weather continues. You can see a lot of activity out here in the Pacific, the Gulf of Alaska. All of that moisture, all of those areas of low pressure are headed our direction to keep things pretty unsettled for days to come. Like I said, showers and thunderstorms through Memorial Day. We do have the risk of strong, not severe thunderstorms today. We'll look at that in just a second. All these high water levels will continue across the region, and like we said, it's going to be wet, but it will be warmer as we head into this week and not only then into next week as well. That risk of strong thunderstorms today, gusty winds 30 to 40 miles per hour, small hail. A lot of storms yesterday had pea-sized hail. Very similar conditions today and some heavy rainfall. Our best bet of seeing the activity, if you were to draw a line from Shoshone to Blackfoot, back down to Soda Springs onto the north, that's where the bigger threat will be today, and the main time frame will be just right around mid-afternoon through sunset. And again, with it being a holiday weekend, if you're going to be out, just monitor the weather, and if you need to take action to get out of the way of the weather, do so as soon as you can when you understand that threat is headed your direction. Now, let's take a look. By the time we get to noon this afternoon, you'll start to see showers and thunderstorms developing. There's that line on to the north of there where we start to see more widespread activity for today. And like we said, some pretty potent showers and thunderstorms across the area. I think, we'll scroll back for here just a second. There is a little bit of drier air working in. Now, will that limit thunderstorm activity? I think it will. I don't think it cuts it off completely. We've had so much rain over the past several days across the area. The dry slot will actually just heat things up, and probably we'll see at least clouds and some isolated showers and thunderstorms filling in those empty spots as well in the sky. Now, as we go into this evening, things thin out a bit, but you'll notice as we get towards tomorrow morning, as that low shifts east, we see another band of showers and thunderstorms working into the south. We'll have other activity elsewhere, but a more widespread area working in across the Utah border. As we go into tomorrow, more showers and thunderstorms across the area, and that trend just continues. Now, tomorrow, I think the thunderstorms threat is down a bit because we do have more cloud cover. But again, you can see some heavy rainfall with some of this activity and even some small hail. But as we go into Monday night into Tuesday, you'll notice that we start to see things kind of drying out, a little bit of drier air working in from the north and from the west, but you'll notice by the time we get to early Tuesday morning, there is still some shower activity around the region. Now, rainfall-wise today, through the morning hours, very light precipitation under a tenth, but with that shower and thunderstorm activity, those stronger cells developing will be in that tenth to quarter-inch range. We may see a few spots picking up around a quarter to half inch of precipitation for today. We'll start to see that dying down a little bit. We lose the intensity. In most areas, we'll stay under a tenth of an inch of precipitation. That continues in the overnight hours. But you'll notice as we go into tomorrow, more areas seeing a tenth to another quarter of an inch, maybe more than that across the area. That's quite a bit of precipitation. That's just going to add to the high water levels. We're going to probably see some of our waterways seeing those levels rise. At this point, we still only have a flood advisory for the Big Wood at Haley, and that's going to stay the same at least for the next couple of days across the area. But as we go into Tuesday morning and as we go into that time frame, you can see the precipitation coming to an end across the area. Now, for the rest of this week, let's scoot it back here just a little bit. You'll notice that we continue with just unsettled conditions across the area. Tuesday, maybe there's a little less on Wednesday, but there's still showers and thunderstorms. Thursday, more of the same. We just have low after low moving over the area, and that continues into Friday. Maybe a little bit less on Saturday, but guess what? Another big area of low pressure swings in for next weekend. This is a week from today, and that just trend continues for the next few days after that. It may not be until the second part of the week of June, middle of June, before we start to see a major pattern change across the area. Now we're going to show you those temperatures. Warmer today with a little less cloud cover, some sunshine across the area. Like we said, cooler tomorrow, but we'll see some showers with some of the heavier rainfall possible. But you'll notice that warming trend continues, and that heat, even though we might see a little less overall activity, heat will add to maybe making some more potent showers and thunderstorms across the area, and that continues into next weekend across the area. Let us know if you have any questions. We're here 24/7. Otherwise, have a good day. Have a great rest of your holiday weekend, and please do be safe out there.